Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving and are getting in gear for the Christmas season. Today we are catching up with Shane, the Jamaican food trucker who needs no introduction. His food truck has become a go-to spot for delicious, authentic Jamaican food served 7 days a week. I did a couple videos before featuring Shane. I'm going to pin them in the comment section. But for those of you who have not seen them, Shane is a Jamaican chef operating at the intersection of Parker Road and US 92 in Davenport, Florida. He prepares authentic Jamaican food. So whether you're craving a quick meal, planning a catered event, or looking for holiday specials, Shane has you covered. Affordable, flavorful, and packed with love, his dishes never disappoint. I purchase there almost weekly, and believe me, I can testify to that. Now let's see what's cooking and hear about Shane's holiday specials.
And we have also the Jamaica sorry straight, which we're gonna drink one like right now.
This is the homemade sorrel.
Straight from Jamaica.
Wow.
And I know she's gonna enjoy it.
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely.
All walks of life. So this is my food trailer. That's every day me and Kenya we do a cooking in from morning till night. Sometime all night we cook.
Yes.
Play till all night. We work so hard day and night.
That's good.
And but I'm saying I hope that next year I'm gonna get a bigger truck.
Yes.
So when Miss Marcia come back, she's gonna see us in a bigger truck.
Yes.
And
awesome.
we want to expand because
awesome.
you all know but it take money, take everything, take
yes.
time, everything.
Time I'm
so
planning.
I want you guys to visit me at my phone number is 772-258-0080 at 6713 US 1792 Parker Road. I'm right there in the corner. I see that Jamaica food truck and I see that Jamaica flag, Shane Jerk Jamaica pot on that truck.
Just look for Shane. Shane, it's now the holiday season. Are you promoting anything for the holidays?
Yes, ma'am. I have catering for the 7th of December and I'm supposed to have one next week for Thanksgiving. But any catering you can call. If you want American food or Jamaican food, no problem.
Yeah, what about if they want the Christmas cake, the black cake?
They can get the Christmas.
They can call for cake. This is oxtail. Oh my goodness, looking so good.
Okay,
yes.
So you want any catering for, you can call us. As I said, my number is 772-258-0080. For the Christmas season, not worse. I don't work. My last day of work is Christmas Eve. I don't work from Christmas Eve until January 2nd or 3rd before I come back to work.
Okay, so
if any catering, you can call me at that number today.
Would you deliver for them, Shane?
Yes, I do delivery on everything.
Do you have any limit to where you would go to do the delivery?
like 10 miles. I think it's 10 miles.
Okay.
Because sometimes we are so busy.
All right, so persons can order and come and pick up
Pick up.
if they're
Or the
far.
delivery for 10 miles would be good.
Okay,
But I
all
don't
right.
want to go over 10 miles because we are so busy. We have no time.
All right.
As you look outside, you will see. So your video. As you look outside, you see.
Guys, all up and down this.
Yes, we have traffic here. Okay. Yes. So, all right, Shane. So you do the catering and you sell meals on a daily basis as well.
7 days per
7 days.
Sure.
And guys, feel free to call ahead if you want.
and we will do the delivery.
Yes. All right. Anything else you want to add? You want to say to the viewers?
Want to say something, Clement?
No, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. All right. Thank you, Shane. Thank you,
welcome.
Miss Kenya.
Yes, thank you, Missy.
Until next time, guys. Ciao.